Hey, so I'm going to show you how to scan a bunch of pages of a document into one single file using Adobe Scan. So the most important thing is to make sure you download the correct app. So here, I'm an Android user. You can see in the Google Play Store, I typed in Adobe Scan and I see that editor's choice. I see 100 million downloads, so I can have confidence in this being a safe download. I can also see this Adobe Scan logo in blue and white. So I installed this onto my phone. I'm going to show you how I go about scanning a document with multiple pages and getting it to a single PDF file. All right, so I'm loading the app. If you have something old there, it'll pop up. If it's your first time using the app, of course, you don't have to worry about that. I'm going to hit discard here. And to start a new scan, I'm going to hit this camera button. So make sure your scan's ready before you do it. I'm going to tilt my phone to make sure it goes into a horizontal landscape mode. All right, it's going to look for the edges of the document. All right. And now you can see a few options on the screen. So um, retake if you want to do it. A retake, do a retake. Sometimes you'll see something like askew like that, and you could redrag the borders, or you could just do a retake. If I hit the retake, then it would just load this screen again. So let me just show that to you, prove it. All right. And I am satisfied with the result, so I'm ready to move on. If for some reason you want to play with like brightness or other features, they're in this bar here. All right. So this is the most important thing I'm going to say this video. To keep going, to keep scanning multiple pages, so you can get them in one single document, this is the button, keep scanning. Okay, so I'm going to hit that keep scanning button. Of course, you want to have your next page ready first before you do that. So I'm going to hit keep scanning. All right, come on. It's funny to take a picture of me taking a picture. All right, cool. I like it. And then here's the last page of my document. Keep scanning. Not now. I don't know what that is. All right. Cool. And I like it. All right. I have nothing more to scan, so I'm going to hit the Save PDF button. And that's making it glare worse. All right, we'll try this angle. Save PDF. Okay. So right now it's doing that. And now I can see my document right here. Any older stuff will be here. All right, so the default is just, it's going to call to scan a name like that. Let's rename it. All right, I'm a chemistry teacher, so let's just say this was a lab report about solids or something. Solids, drools. Solids report. Okay, maybe the word lab. All right, so I'm gonna hit rename. Maybe I should have put my name in there, but you get the idea. I want to keep this video short. There are premium features. You're not gonna need any of those to do what I'm doing here. All right, and now you have multiple options for saving the document. If you just want to share it immediately, you could hit share. I also like that share feature for giving the file to myself. Okay, and you can use a variety of these tools to like email yourself or email others, something like that. Okay. Another thing you can do, I mean, you could save as a JPEG. I want to keep it as a PDF. I'm going to hit this more button here. And then you can copy to the device so that it's actually on the hard drive of your device. At the moment, it's on like the Adobe cloud storage. And then copy to would give you other cloud storage options. All right. And then from there, hopefully you can access the file and use it for whatever you need to. All right. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.